Today we're going to work on setting up a multi-view drawing in Inventor. So if you're back on your home page and you've already drawn all your parts, you want to now do a drawing. Do not open from this, it'll give you the wrong drawing sheet. We have a special one here for McNeil. So you can go up to the top where this little piece of paper is, click on that little piece of paper and you'll get this window. You want to go down to here. Mine says McNeil Engineering Sheet A, yours might just say Engineering Sheet A. But select that and create, and it's going to ask you all your things here, okay? So it's going to ask you your name, so just type in your name. I grew up learning that you should always do capital letters when you do drawing sheets, so I do that. Not everybody does. This is the puzzle cube project that we're working on this case, but yours might be anything. And then part name, in this case, maybe I'm just going to do my orange part. Now revision, this is our first time, we didn't redraw anything, so it's just revision 1. Pretty much will be all year long for you. And you click OK to anything that pops up, and it does your drawing sheet. And look, it put my name and the project and the part name already in the corner. From here, you're going to click on Base, and then you're going to go select your document. Okay, we have to go pick where that file is. So you have to go back to your H drive, but I'm already in Puzzle Cube, so it usually just finds it. And then we just have to find, do I have an orange part in here? There's an orange part right there. I open up my orange part, it automatically brings it in. I can move it around. It's the front view that brought in, so I'm going to put it down in the lower left. From here I just take my mouse up. I don't click on anything, I just move my mouse above, then I click. Then I take my mouse over to the right, then I click. And that's done the top, front, and right, that easy. And then if I go up in this upper corner and click, it puts the isometric. Now over here, we want to make sure we have hidden lines that show, and we do not want it shaded yet because we're doing two-dimensional. If we can do scale 1 to 1, that's great. If it didn't fit, and it should fit for all the puzzle cube parts, we could change the scale. And you just click OK. And there you go. There's my orange part. Now we do want the three-dimensional to be shaded. So if we hover till you get the little red dotted line, and you double-click on that, it'll bring that window back up, and you want to click the far right one where it has kind of the blue circle in it, where it says shaded. Say OK, and now it's put shading, right? So you must have tonal shading on three-dimensional views. If one of your views happen to end up down here, right? If it was something like that and it's over the top, or you squished them all together, you can see how I'm moving things. You just hover over it till you get that little red line, red dotted line, and then you can move it around. Now the best part, look how the views stay right on top of each other, right? We can't move them. So all this alignment that we've been focusing on in class, you can't mess it up in Inventor. And that gets you done. Hit save. Save it as a IDW, which is a drawing, and then move on to your other parts.